Voice on screen, those are attending in online. Am I audible, guys? No, please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on screen, those are attending in online. Guys, now please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on screen, those are attending in online. Guys, now please type in questions box. All of you get my voice on screen, those are attending in online. Everybody, please type in questions box, guys. All of you get my voice on screen. Voice on screen. Right. So right. Good morning, guys. And right, sir. Now, please check one time. Given already the document link to all of you, just for the sake of the daily classroom notes. Then, if any of you are not having that link, now try to take that link. Okay, just 1 minute. So, daily classroom notes we are going to get through this link only. Okay. So https://tinyurl.com/core java 830. Take this link. At least photo we can take. Just open this link in the browser. There we are able to get introduction document. There we are able to see daily classroom notes. And Google Classroom code. Just take even this one also. Then later on, I'll give clarity how to install it and how to use this Google Classroom code. Just for the sake of our communication, I'll give that clarity. All right, sir. Now on Friday, we have taken the first demo class. A demo class I completed. Now today onwards, we are going to see the content. And before going to start the content here, just I would like to give some roadmap about our course, about the full stack Java. Then the total roadmap here we are going to understand 2 minutes of time. Then after that, we are going to start our content today. Okay. Right, sir. Now let's see this one in full stack Java overall. How many courses here we are having there in general in full stack Java? Just 1 minute, sir. Just give a minute of time. Guys, now please check it. All of you get my voice on screen. Is my screen is visible to all of you guys? Those are attending in online. Please all of you respond to me. Is my screen is visible? Please quick response, everybody. Is my screen is visible? Right, nice. Right, sir. Now, if we understand the total full stack Java content here, this is the content on this full stack Java. See this, what topics here we are going to understand in a full stack Java: core Java, advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring Boot, microservices, web services, Oracle, basic UI. Basic UI in the sense like what there, the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, then Bootstrap. They are the topics which are available under basic UI, either Angular or React.js, but my vote is for only what there, React.js, Linux, AWS, DevOps, and testing tools. These are the total topics what you are having clearly. Okay. Out of all these, this part, the total, this is totally Java part. The remaining part is what there, non-Java. Okay. This part I will take the responsibility. The remaining courses, we have some other expert trainers at Durgasoft. They will take the classes. Okay. Out of this total full stack Java, the total Java will occupy 70% of the syllabus. The remaining 30% of the syllabus might be available in this way. Everybody understand it clearly. Okay. So what is the roadmap here? I'm telling to you how we are going to plan for these courses. Then if you want to do that, now I'm giving this roadmap and everything for the full stack people, full stack Java people. Later on, I will talk about the remaining members. No to worry for it. Okay. So what is that? roadmap here I'm going to provide to you. Now try to understand it clearly. As of now, as per our flexibility, at a time we can start to 4 sessions. At a time we can start with what there 4 sessions in full stack Java. Actually, how we are going to complete the courses in full stack Java with only one course. If you want to complete only one course at a time, if you want to do, it may take a lot of time. Not possible to complete immediately the total full stack Java. It may take a lot of time. So on time, if you want to complete the total full stack Java courses, we have to do parallelly. As per your availability, as per your flexibility, you can plan for 4 courses at a time. I'll give clarity. Don't worry for it. Now I divided into 3 sessions, 4 sessions overall. Session 1, session 2. These are two my sessions. Session 1 and session 2 are what there? 2 sessions are my sessions, like Java sessions. I will take Java. I will take 2 slots for what there? Java. Again, I will give schedule. What exactly the 2 slots I'm going to take. One slot is very clear. 8:30 to 10 o'clock. Understand it clearly. Second slot, I will give clarity. No need to worry for it. After that, session 3, session 4, what I am telling there, along with Java, we can take any other 2 courses. What are the 2 courses which are possible immediately for you without it depending on Java? What courses we can start immediately? If you think about it, there we can start with Oracle, we can start with the basic UI, and we can start with the Linux, AWS, and DevOps. These three all together. Understand my point? Either of these three, we can start immediately 2 slots. We can start better to start. Or if we have time, then 5 slots. If you want to take it, no, depends on our patience level, we can take it. No problem for it. So, but 2 slots, I'm going to take no. I will talk about these 2 slots immediately later on. No need to worry for it. But remaining session 3 and session 4, I'm telling there immediately as per the batches announcement and as per your time availability, you can start with what there Oracle or basic UI, Linux, AWS, and DevOps. These are not dependent. Angular or React.js are dependent on basic UI. After completion of this basic UI only, you can take either of this Angular or React. Understand the point, Kerno? This testing tools is dependent on the core Java. After completion of core Java only, we have to start with what their testing tools. So because of that reason, along with the Java, if the batches are available in Durgasoft, definitely every week one batch is going to be stored there. Other technologies, if the batches are available, immediately you can start with Oracle, Basic UI, and Linux, AWS, and DevOps. So these 3 courses as a single bundle, we are able to get no single faculty can teach there. We can join with these classes immediately. Yes, sir. All of you are getting clarity in this point or not? Okay. Now coming to my classes. My classes are like what they Java classes. Core Java, Advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring Boot, microservices, and web services. This is Java. In Java, 2 courses we have to do parallelly. 2 courses we have to do parallelly. In Java, every course is dependent on other. Definitely some dependencies are available there. I will give the dependency clearly. Now try to understand it now. In Java, Core Java, Advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring Boot, microservices, and what next one now? And web services. They are the 7 courses are available. Okay. Now what I'm telling there, 2 slots I'm going to take for this total Java. What are the 2 slots here? 8:30 to 10 is 1 slot, and the second slot, please remember it, I'm going to take in the future 7 to 8:30 morning before this slot. 7 to 8:30, that is another one. At 10 o'clock I can keep that slot there, but unfortunately I have some other class at 10 o'clock. My schedule is totally tight. So for the sake of you, for the sake of this batch, 2 slots what I assigned there, 8:30 to 10 is 1 slot. Now just we are taking the class now, and the second slot is what there 7 to 8:30 for full stack people. Let me give total information. By that we are able to get clarity. What is my plan there? Okay. All right, sir. Now session 1 is what there 8:30 to 10. Understand it clearly. Session 2 is what there 7 to 8:30. As of now, the plan I'm telling you now. At 8:30 to 10, we started with what there core Java. When core Java is in the middle, when core Java is in middle, not immediately. When core Java is in middle, I will start the second slot. That 7 to 8:30 slot I will start there for what there advanced Java. Everybody understand my point here? At least we need to complete up to multi-threading in core Java. When we complete multi-threading in core Java, then only I can start what there advanced Java. Understand it clearly. All around nearly 40 to 45 days more than that. We are going to take the classes. After that only we are going to start with what there advanced Java. Then tomorrow onwards, if we start advanced Java, without having knowledge in core Java, how we are going to understand the content? No? Already I got some requests there regarding this. Sir, when we are going to start advanced Java? Yesterday people are asking to me. Yesterday, then our office people are getting calls from the students there now. But that's why I'm giving clarity. If you want to understand advanced Java, you need to have knowledge in core Java. At least up to multi-threading, we have to learn. After that only, we are able to understand what their advanced Java. Without having knowledge in core Java, even if you attend advanced Java, you are not going to understand anything. Got it? What I'm telling to you now. Okay, that's why when core Java is in the middle, in a second slot I will start what their advanced Java. Good. Whenever the core Java is completing, by the time we are in the middle of the advanced Java, at that moment I will start what their framework, Spring framework I will start. In place of core Java, I will start what their Spring framework. When we are in the middle of the Spring framework, by the time advanced Java is going to be completed, when it is completing that advanced Java, when it complete advanced Java, then we will start what there Hibernate in place of advanced Java. When Hibernate is in the middle, then I will start what there Spring Boot microservices. When Hibernate is completed, then we will go with what there web services. This is the total Java slots, Java slots here, how I'm going to give plan there. 7 courses no, the 2 slots I'm going to take care. One course I'm going to start immediately. In the mid of one course, another course I will start. In the mid of another course, I will start. Then another some other course here. Like this, parallelly 2 courses. If we do know, automatically we are going to complete it. The moment when we are going to complete these microservices, automatically we are going to complete all the remaining courses at 2 slots. Remaining 2 slots also no. Everybody, all of you get my point or not? Then the remaining courses also we are going to complete in the remaining 2 slots. So this is the roadmap. If you follow that, on time we are going to complete. On time we are going to complete the batches at Durgasoft. Understand it, Ken? So Java, immediately I'm going to start only 1 slot. But overall, after a few days of time, whenever we are in the mid of the core Java, then I will start what there second slot. That second slot time is also be what there 7 to 8:30. It's a fixed. 7 o'clock is a working time only. Don't think about it. It's a too early morning, right? Early morning in the sense 4:30, 5 o'clock. 7 o'clock is a wake up time, right? Then your mind is also very good. When you come to the 7:30, 7 to 8:30 class there, then easily we can grasp the content. Okay, no need to worry for it. I'll make you to attend for the classes effectively at 7 to 8:30. Those who are in full stack Java, fix your time for Java 7 to 10. 7 to 10 is totally my time. I'm going to play with the subjects in 7 to 10 in this time only. This is the roadmap here, what I'm telling there. The remaining 2 courses, I'm telling the remaining 2 slots here, I'm telling there, as per your time availability, as per your comfort, we can attend at any of the remaining time. After 10 o'clock, then after that, like what the evening 9 o'clock, we are having classes at Durgasoft. In the remaining part of the time, you can complete the remaining 2 slots there at any time. Say for example, I don't have some other time, sir. I'm busy with some other time. I'm going to the offices every time now. So not possible for me to attend the for the remaining 2 classes. No need to worry for it. Let us complete Java. After completion of the Java, then we'll go for what their remaining courses. But it may take a bit more time. It may take a bit more time. If you're working there in outside, the time is not possible for you after 10 o'clock there. Yes, not at all a problem there now. Then your courses are remaining available for you. Your courses are remaining available for you. Then directly after the Java, we can attend these classes in the same slots now. But it may take a lot of time here. That's the point I'm telling there. Otherwise, we can plan for these courses now. Clear? All of you are getting clarity on this? Yes, sir. Can I move forward? Can I move forward? And one small request I'm telling to you, whenever you are coming inside the classes, no need to take any permission. This is not your engineering college. This is not your academic institute. Okay, this is like what they're a private organization, no formalities. We can come at any time in my classes now. Of course, if you are asking permission, it's okay, good thing, but I don't like it. Why? Because if you're asking permission, you're corrupting that entire class mode. I don't like this, right? Then directly you can come inside the class. Don't ask permission. Why? Because in your colleges, you may ask this kind of environment. You may provide this kind of environment. You may ask permissions to your faculty. Why? Because your faculty is having your attendance and your faculty is having that internal marks, right? That's why you have to give respect. Am I right? But here no attendances and no internals, right? Then if you learn, if you come to the class, you will get the subject. If you're not attending the class, no, you will not get the subject here. So I don't require such kind of things now. But there is a small condition. What is that condition here? At any time, even before completing my class, before 5 minutes of completing my class, if you want to come, you can come and you can sit in front of my class now, inside my class now. I don't have any problem. But in the middle of the class, you should not leave from the classroom. That's mandatory. Why? Because you're coming here to learn the subject. You have to sit up to the time. Even though my lecture is not good, even though myself is not good, you don't like my face there, you're unable to bear up to 1.5 hour of time every day, still I don't have any problem. You must attend the class up to 1.5 hour of time. Slowly I'm going to maintain the timings also there, but at present demo class are going on here now. A 5 to 10 minutes delay will come there because of you only. If all of you are coming exactly at 8:30, I'll be inside the class by 8:30. Understand it clearly now? So 5 to 10 minutes of delay is because of you only. And for, on 8:30 itself, I should be here, no doubt for that. But I'm waiting for the people there. Okay. Anyway, then 5 to 10 minutes is okay. Nothing is going to be happen. We are going to start our content here, but at least by 8:40 you should be inside the class now, so that I can start our class there by at least by 8:40. Okay. Right, sir. Leave all this now concepts now. Now the next one is like what there. I want to give one more information about our content here. So Durgasoft is providing 4 types of batches actually, but listen, this is also another last point here I'm telling there. Individual courses here I'm going to take. These durations depends on the students, sir. Don't think about it. Core Java and all these things, no. But max I'm going to follow that. But Core Java is one batch, only Core Java. If you want to attend there, today is a class for it. Basic Java. In basic Java, how many parts are available? 4 parts are available. Core Java, Advanced Java, Oracle, and Basic UI. And complete Java, Core Java, Advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring, Spring Boot, microservices, web services, Oracle, and Basic UI. These are available here. Now this is a full stack Java. Right. Nowadays, no company is expecting the people with these 3 packages. No company is expecting the resources with these 3 packages. No, every company is expecting the resources with what package? No, full stack Java. Please try to understand it here. Nowadays it's a Java in the sense, it's not like a single Java, it's like what there, full stack Java, that every company is looking for that only. Today or tomorrow you must complete that full stack Java. You must have knowledge on full stack Java. Clear? Remember it. All right, so then after this, after completion of all these points here, now let us start the content about like what there. Let us start the content like what there. Java, if we take the Java, that means core Java. If we take the core Java, all of you understand it. How core Java is coming into the picture. Then before going to start the core Java, how core Java is available for us. From where this core Java is coming. At least 2 minutes of time here I'm going to discuss with you, or try to understand it clearly. Now tell me guys, then Java is a programming language provided by Sun Microsystems. Am I right or not? Java is a programming language provided by Sun Microsystems. Now tell me, how many parts of the Java was provided by Sun Microsystems? No, Sun Microsystems has given Java, no doubt for that. But how many parts of the Java they have provided? How many parts are available inside the Java? Now tell me. Right. Maybe the general awareness. What in general people are having the awareness now. Java is provided in 3 parts. What are the 3 parts of the Java? In general, what people are thinking there? The first one is what there? J2 SE. The first one is what there? J2 SE. And the second one is what? Not like this. It's wrong. First one is like what there? Core Java. And the second one is like what there? Advanced Java. And the third one is like what there? J2 EE. Right. So these are the 3 parts which are available inside the Java. What people are thinking now? What in general people are thinking? How many parts are available in Java? In the sense, 3 parts. What are the 3 parts now? Core Java, Advanced Java, J2EE. Got it or not? 1 minute. Hold on here. This is wrong statement. This is wrong terminology. This division is totally wrong. That was not provided by Sun Microsystems. This is our awareness, general awareness to the people in outside. Strictly more clearly, if you want to speak now, this is a local terminology in Hyderabad. Local terminology in Hyderabad. Hyderabad institutes have created this kind of courses division. This is wrong, not provided by Sun Microsystems. Okay, sir, I understood that. This is not provided by Sun Microsystems. Now tell me what is provided by Sun Microsystems. What Sun Microsystems has given the division over the programming language, Java programming language. All right, if we come for it, now I'm going to give the clarity. Sun Microsystems has provided Java in three parts. The same three parts are available in three parts. But what are the three parts now? First one is J2SE or Java SE, and the second one is J2EE or Java EE, and the third one is J2ME or Java ME. Come on, guys. All of you now tell me what are the three parts of the Java. Now tell me. First one is what there? J2SE, J2EE, and what third one? J2ME. Okay, sir. Good. This is the right terminology. I do accept it. I do accept it. You said to us, core Java is not the right terminology. J2SE is the right terminology. Okay, I understood that. But today, why you announce the batch with the title core Java? Maybe 12th of this month, we are going to start advanced Java at night 7:30. Yeah, at night 7:30 we have a session like what the advanced Java. There is a demo class, a new batch I'm going to start, not for the sake of you, some other batch now. But why you announce the batch with the title advanced Java? As you know already the right terminology, J2SE, J2EE, J2ME, but why you keep the titles like core Java, advanced Java like this? May I have this question now? Okay, in your point of view, for example, if I announce the batch with the title J2SE or J2EE, for example, what audience will think about it, no? What the target people will think about it, what students are thinking about it, no? Yes, sir. General information I'm telling there. In intermediate, in plus two education, JEE program is available. Are you aware about it, no? Olympiad, JEE program, these programs are available. If announce any batch with the title J2EE, people will think about it. This J2EE is an extension of JEE intermediate program. Intermediate students will come to me. What I will do with the intermediate students now? Understand it again. But the point is what? As per the general awareness, I'm going to announce the batches. But once you are coming inside the class, my first statement is what exactly the terminology in Java. In the first class itself, we have to tune for it. We have to change our opinion. We have to think about the terminology, like what there, J2SE, J2EE, J2ME. In this way only, we have to think. But announcements of the batches are going on like that only for the sake of the user awareness. Once they're coming inside the Java, then I will plan for it clearly. Yeah, don't worry for it. Now, this is exactly the point here, what I'm telling to you. Now, let's move on to the point here. J2SE, J2EE, J2ME. These are the three parts which are available inside the Java. Now let's move on to the next one here. J2SE. What is this J2SE or what is this J2 Java SE? What is the meaning of this J2SE? Right, sir. All of you understand it clearly. What is this J2SE actually? Point number one. Everybody understand this point clearly. Abbreviation J2SE or Java SE in the sense Java 2 standard edition. Java 2 standard edition. Tell me, sir, what is the abbreviation for J2SE? Java 2 standard edition. Simple one. Java 2 standard edition. Nice. What it will provide? Part of the Java, what J2SE will provide? Understand it clearly. It will provide only the fundamentals of the Java programming language. Fundamentals of the Java programming language. It will not provide the complete Java. It will provide only the fundamentals of the Java programming language. Say for example, I want to construct a building. What? I want to construct a building. If you want to construct a building, what basic we require now? Tell me. What basics here we require now? Tell me. What basics here we require now? Foundation is required. Am I right or not? Individual resources we required, like cement is required, bricks we required, sand we required, water we required. Understand my point clearly now? The foundation is required. The foundation and gathering individual resources is nothing but J2SE. That's the fundamentals now. Constructing a building in the sense preparing a Java application. To prepare Java application, what resources we required at basic level in the sense there we are able to have like what there. There we are able to get like what that foundation for our content. That means J2SE is providing only what their foundation. I said, all of you are getting clarity or not? J2SE will cover only basics of the Java, not complete Java. Clear. With these basics, what we are able to prepare now, tell me. With these basics, what we are able to prepare? What type of applications here we are able to prepare with these basics now, tell me now. All right, observe carefully. By using J2SE, we are able to prepare standalone applications. All of you understand it clearly? We are able to prepare what type of applications there? Standalone applications. By using J2SE, we are able to prepare standalone applications. Everybody understand it clearly now? All right, so then immediately we are getting clarity now. What is the standalone application? What's the meaning of the standalone application now? Right, sir. Good. Now I'm going to give clarity now what exactly the meaning of standalone applications. Observe carefully. All right, sir. I'm going to give some clarity now. Try to understand it now. Then before going to start our point, first of all, give clarity for me, guys. Everybody has to response for me. Respond for me. What is J2EE? What is J2SE? Java 2 Standard Edition. What it will provide? Only fundamentals of the Java. Okay. By using the fundamentals of Java, what type of applications here we are going to prepare? Standalone applications. Now I'm going to give clarity what is the meaning of a standalone application. What exactly the meaning of standalone application? Put more concentration, all of you know. All right, sir. Now try to understand it clearly. Everybody understand it clearly. If we design and execute any application, all of you put more concentration. If we design and execute any application without using client server architecture, I think you're already aware about this client server architecture, at least the names. Client will send request to the server, server will send response to the client. That's finished. There is a protocol between client and server. Protocol will carry the request from client to the server. Protocol will carry the response from server to client. So there is an architecture. Right? Without using client server architecture, or without distributing application logic, over the multiple missions, if you design and execute any application without using the client server architecture, without distributing the application logic over multiple missions, then that application is called a standalone application. That application is called what there? A standalone application. Come again, all of you know, please respond to me. What is standalone application? Now tell me. Come on, what is standalone application? Now tell me. If we design and execute any application without using what? Client server architecture, and without distributing application logic over multiple missions, then that application is called what there? A standalone application. Right, sir. I'm going to show some diagrammatic representation. Observe carefully. What is the meaning of the standalone application? Here the main point is what there? Without using client server architecture and without distributing application logic over multiple missions. There is a point here. What's the meaning of it now? You should not use more than one mission. You should not use a client server architecture. If it is a case now, the point is what there? You have to use only one computer. We have to use how many computers? No, only one computer. We have to use a single mission. Mission in the sense computer only. Don't think any other content here. Mission in the sense like what there? Computer only. We have to use a single mission. In that single mission only, we have to prepare our total program. My complete program is available. My complete program is existed in the single mission. My total application is available in the single mission. Okay, now this is my application. Maybe it may be Java application, or it may be .NET application, or it may be C program. That doesn't matter. A program here I've written here. Now this is like what there a mission. Mission in the sense what there a computer, or maybe a mobile phone, or maybe some other whatever it may be. A mission in the sense it may be anything. The total program I provided in a single mission. In a single mission. So this application is called what? A standalone application. Means that if I provide the total application in a single mission, in the same mission, I'm going to compile the program. In the same mission, I'm going to execute the program. In the same mission, I'm going to provide input data to my program. My program will take that input data in the same mission. It will process that input data and it will provide some output data in the same mission. Output will be generated in the same mission. Everything is going on in a single mission. Then that type of application is called as what there standalone application. I said all of you are getting clarity on it. What is a standalone application? No hurry, understand clearly the point here, point by point we are going to understand clearly. Getting awareness is very important. Getting awareness is very important, and try to put our complete effort to understand the content here. Easily we are going to understand the concepts now. Understand my point here now? One time if you are keeping that concept in our mind, it's almost equal to 100 times reading. It's almost equal to 100 times reading. Understand my point here now? So because of that reason, try to understand, try to remember the point here what I'm telling you now. Finally, now tell me, by seeing this diagram, what you are understanding about this standalone application. Now tell me, standalone application is a Java application or maybe any application. It will be designed and executed without using client server architecture or without distributing application logic over multiple machines. Means that provide the total application in a single computer. In the same computer we can compile the program. In the same computer we can execute the program. In the same computer we can provide input data to the program. In the same computer process that input data. In the same computer provide output data to the user. That's finished. That application is called what there? A standalone application. Right, sir. Now later on I will show the diagram. I will keep the diagram in the document. Don't worry for it. Okay, the definition for the standalone application here we understood. Okay, sir. Now I understood what is standalone application. Good. But tell me some examples for standalone applications. Tell me some examples for standalone applications. Now let's see this one. Examples here I'm telling to you know. Say for example, in our computer, the laptop may be anything, maybe Windows or maybe like iOS or whatever it may be. In our laptop, we are going to have calculator. Application is available or not? Calculator to perform some arithmetic operations. Calculator is available or not? Now just think a minute about it. No, is that calculator is total an application which is available in a single computer or multiple computers? Now in a single computer, its logic is available in a single device or not? Is the best example for what there standalone application. Not only that, understand it clearly, calendar is available. Calendar is available, right? If you open that calendar here in our system, automatically the calendar is open there. That calendar is also an application. That application is available in a single computer, available in multiple systems now in a single computer. It's the best example for what there for the standalone application. Understand the point clear what I'm telling there? All utility applications in our computer. What are these? No utility applications in our computer. All these are what their standalone applications. Just now I'm telling there one more example. Paint brush is available in my system. Just now I open paint brush. Just now I open this paint brush here. Now here this is also an application. Application is open here. Now this is also an application. This is available in my single computer, not available to the multiple computers now. So this also be the best example for what their standalone application, and so on, so many, and so on, so many. Is it? All of you are getting clarity? Now tell me, what are the examples for standalone applications? No. What are the examples for standalone application? Calculator, calendar, paintbrush in our systems. All these are what their examples for what their standalone applications. Okay. Now I have a question. Okay, sir. I understood what is J2SE. Okay, what it will provide, I understood. What applications I'm able to prepare, I understood. What are the examples for the type of applications, I understood. But now tell me, how many applications are standalone applications in outside world? In outside market, how many applications are standalone applications? How much is the ratio for standalone applications out of 100%? No. If we come for this point, I'm giving clarity. Only 5% of the applications are the standalone applications. Tell me, sir, how many applications are the standalone applications? No, only 5% of the applications are what they're standalone applications, not more than that. Remaining 95% of the applications are different. Only 5% of the applications are what they're standalone applications. Got it? What I'm telling there. Then immediately may get one question now. Sir, if standalone applications are only 5%, no, definitely the developers requirement, Java developers requirement is also be 5%. Means that my job opportunity level is only 5%. So if I learn core Java, I'm able to have only 5% of the opportunities only, 5% of jobs only I'm able to get. So is it required to learn this core Java because of only 5%? No. Am I take any wrong step now by attending these classes? Am I taking any wrong step to take this Java as an option here? May have this kind of question here immediately. Of course, if you're not having any question, it's okay, well and good. But if you have question, now I'm giving clarity for it. Now try to understand my next statement, what I'm going to give there. Observe carefully, all of you know, direct utilization of the J2SE is direct utilization of the J2SE is 5% only. 5% only. Direct utilization of the J2SE is only what there 5% only. But observe carefully. This is important. It's a dependency level. Its a dependency level is 1000%. Come on, guys. Its utilization is only 5%, but its a dependency level is what there 1000%, not even 100%. Sir, what you are saying today? Then at one side you are saying 5%, at the other side you are saying 1000%, not even 100%. No. What are these mathematical equations now? What you are saying that now? Yes, now I'm telling that perfectly. Point is correct. It's a direct utilization. Core Java direct utilization is only 5%, but its a dependency level is what there 1000%. How, sir? How it is 1000%? No. Listen, I'll give one small story to all of you. Now try to understand it. No, I think so. It may be happened even with you also. It might be happened even with you also. No, just try to understand the point. So, for example, I think all of you might be completing your academics, right? Completed, or maybe just doing. How many of you are still in academics now? Tell me. Academics in the sense might be not completing your graduation, BTech or BSc or whatever it may be. Still you are in BSc or still you are in BTech. How many of you are available like that? Nobody. All of you completed. Just completed. This year completed, right? How many of you completed this year? Yeah, nice. Almost all right. Perfect. Don't worry. Exactly. Whatever the story I'm going to tell to you, this may be suitable for you. Now try to listen it clearly. For example, one innocent student, he completed BTech in some college. You know already the status now. When you complete your BTech there, when you go to your hometown, when you stay at your house 2 to 3 days of time, immediately some comments are coming. Of course, your parents are not giving any comments on you, but your next house people are going to give comment. Next house maybe uncle or auntie, whoever it may be, they will come to you. They will say to you, "Arey, you completed your BTech. No, what you are doing at present? What is your next plan?" Immediately they're saying that my son is working with IBM in Bangalore. Per month he is earning 60,000 rupees. But what you are doing now? He might be your classmate only, but he had a might be off-campus seat there. But what we are doing now? One day is okay, we can bear it. Second day is okay, okay. Third day is okay. And fourth day, you're trying to skip to show your face to them. Fifth day, when they're coming to your house, no, you're jumping from your house only. The next day, how long we are going to jump it? Then immediately, by the time, at least because of their next house people torture, they are going to take some decision. What decision there? No, definitely I have to do something. I have to get job there. Otherwise, maybe these people are going to kill us. And internally, your parents are also thinking the same thing, but they are not going to be exposed to you. They are thinking, "Arey, my son completed BTech. Then how long he is going to stay at home?" Then immediately on that day night, your parents will have a meeting with you at food time, right? at a dinner time, definitely. Slowly they'll ask you, Are Nana, what next situation? What we have to do? What you are thinking about it? No? Then parents will not give any hash words with right? In this stage, no? Definitely. By the time, okay, then you are going to take some decision. Okay, then you are going to convey the message that just I completed BTech now. Within 1 or 2 days of time, I'll go to Hyderabad, then I'll go for some courses, then I will go for the job. Then meanwhile, what you are doing there, just you are inquire about our you are going to inquiry about your courses with some other friends there. What in general, what other friends are going to give suggestion there? Array, you can go to Amirpet and you can take any course, no problem, but don't take Java. Most of the people are going to give this kind of native feedback about Java. If you ask them why, Array, Java will take too much of time. At the same time, Java is required too much technical knowledge, too much technical skills to record. Then only you are able to get job. It's hard to complete it. And some other people are saying that, no, sir, myself is not good at programming at my colleges. No, because of the reason I don't want to take Java as an option there. Some people are going to think like that. Understand it? Then what that innocent student will do, no, by heart this kind of words about the Java, then is inquire about what other courses other than this Java. Some people may give the information like what there are nowadays. Salesforce is having very good demand in outside. Salesforce, then why don't you go and join with the Salesforce course? Then that innocent student, what he will do there, he'll come to Amirpet, he'll inquire about the institutes, in which institute the Salesforce training is going on. They will go and attend for the demo class there. In the demo class, the trainer will give a flash news. What is that flash news there? If you want to learn a Salesforce, you must know Java. Then what is the status of the innocent student now? I want to skip Java, that's why I came here for Salesforce. But Salesforce is also dependent on what there? Java. So I want to skip even the Salesforce. Again, inquiring outside there. What I have to learn. In a simple way, I want to complete it. What I have to learn. Some other people are going to give information like what there. Are better to learn a testing tools? No, it's very simple to complete the testing tools. Easily you are able to get job in outside. Then testing tools is better as an alternative for Java. Go and join with the testing tools class now. The same innocent student will find an institute where testing tools course is going on, where he will go for the demo class. In the demo class also, what is the situation there? No, if you want to learn a testing tools, you should know core Java. You must aware about J2SE part. Then only you can come for testing tools class. Again, what the status of the student? No, again he came out and is thinking about it. Even skip even says the testing tools also not required for us. Then again search for some other course. What you will find some other course there. Maybe big data analysis, Hadoop is one of the course. You may go and join with some other course, Hadoop. There also what's going on. Hadoop tool is totally designed on the base of the Java. So if you want to work with the Hadoop, definitely we need to have Java knowledge. And so on and so on and so on. Dots we can put there. Number of courses. At finally, some other people are giving information. Forget about all these technologies. Nowadays, mobile application development is getting very good demand in outside. Why don't you learn Android technology, Android platform for mobile application development? You may go and join with a demo class for Android. There also, what is the situation? No, if you want to learn Android, definitely you must know what their Java programming language. What is the moral of the story? What you are getting the conclusion by seeing all these points now? Without having knowledge on Java, you are unable to survive in software industry. You are unable to skip from your career. Understand the point clearly what I'm telling there. So you must learn a Java programming language. Not even that, if you want to go for like what there, advanced Java or J2E kind of technologies, core Java is a fundamental, core Java is a basic. If you don't know core Java, there is no meaning for your advanced Java and J2EE. That final conclusion here, what I'm telling now, without Java, the software industry is not going to be available. 99% of the technologies and tools are either directly or indirectly dependent on what their core Java. If no core Java, no chances of existing in a software industry, no chances of surviving in a software industry. Everybody understand my point here? 70 to 75% of the drives are going on for full stack Java people in outside when compared with other technologies. Even in other technologies are also be dependent on what their the Java programming language. That is the reason why given the point like what there 1000% is what their dependency level. 1000% is like what their dependency level that we are going to understand. Right, sir. Now I'm giving clarity. Direct utilization of the J2S is 5% only, but its dependency level is what the 1000%. Why? Because it is the dependent programming language, for the future, technologies and tools, like advanced technologies and tools. Instead of saying that future technologies and tools, no, advanced technologies and tools like what I'm telling there, selenium. This is one thing. Then after that, what next one, you know, Salesforce. Next one is what there, Hadoop. Next one is what there, Android. Next one is what there, SAP related tools are available, ABAP or HR or something else, no, and so on and so on and so on. All these are dependent on what there, J2SE part only. Directly I'm telling there, either directly or indirectly, 99% of the technologies and tools are dependent on what there, Java. That means core Java. Yes, sir. Now all of you are getting clarity. Now tell me, by seeing this conclusion there, what step here we have taken? Is that taking Java option is a right step or wrong step now? Definitely right step. You don't have any other alternative. We have to do that. Understand my point here? Of course, we are sitting inside the Java class, no, right? But at the same time, I'm telling that this is a fact. This is a fact. One point I'm telling there. One small, like what I'm telling to you. I think all of you are able to drive bikes, right? Bikes or cars. Am I right? No response, guys. Arey, what you're looking at my face, sir? I'm asking one question to you now. Are able to drive bikes? At least scooty, sir. Hero Honda scooty. No, not aware. Okay, right. At least you are able to aware of bike driving, right? Those who are able to drive successfully your bikes in Hyderabad roads, you can drive the bikes at any location throughout the world. Do you know what is the reason for it? It's very much difficult to drive the bikes in Hyderabad, even cars. Why? Because whenever we are driving a bike now, all of a sudden some other person will come there. How the person will come there? Even no intimations. Directly will come and he will go. You have to apply the brakes, sudden brakes you have to apply. Some other people might be in a single bike now, 5 to 6 members are sitting there, they're coming. The total family is traveling on the bike only. That to what type of bike that was, no, Chatak, old Chatak. Are you aware about it? Chatak Bajaj, no. Okay, all of a sudden they are taking the turn now. In some situations, what they are going to do there, whether vehicle is coming or not in the backside, no, they will not think about it. Just simply they will raise their hand, no, they will move the bike. See, this kind of problems you are able to see in Hyderabad, no, right? Similarly, if you learn Java, you can learn any other technology easily. Understand my point, Kirna? If you know Java, all other technologies are dead simple. But if you learn other technologies and if you want to come for Java, it's too much difficult. If you learn Java, other technologies are very simple. Even Python, I'm telling to you. How Python is very simple when compared with Java. How Python is very simple when compared with Java. Simple equation I'm telling to you. In Java, how to declare a variable now, tell me. In Java, how we are able to declare a variable? Int a is equal to semicolon. This is Java. Am I right or not? Now this is Java. Simple, easily we can understand it now. But how it is simple when compared with Java about the Python? How it is simple to learn Python after learning Java? Why? Because in the case of Python, what is going to be happen there? A is equal to 10. That's enough. In Python, what's the declaration there? A is equal to 10. Already, if you are aware about this statement, understanding this statement is nothing. But if you know this statement, in advance, understanding this statement is too much difficult. Sir, all of you get my point or not? So that migration is also be very simple from Java to other. From other to Java, migration is not simple. So because of that reason, what I'm telling there, if you have Java, we can survive in any domain, in any field. But if we don't know Java, it's somewhat difficult to survive in outside market. Observe carefully. Okay, sir, leave this point here. Then what I'm telling to you. So this is about like what there, that utilization part here. I'm telling to you about this core Java. Fine, sir. I'm going to give conclusions for J2SE. Everybody must understand it now. Tell me, some points I have given about the J2SE. Now tell me, what is the abbreviation for J2SE? Now tell me in simple words. Java 2 Standard Edition. What it will provide now? Tell me. Fundamentals of the Java. By using these fundamentals, what type of applications we are able to prepare? Standalone applications. What is standalone application? If we design and execute any application without using client server architecture, without distributing application logic over multiple machines, by preparing application in a single computer, then that application is what there? A standalone application. Tell me the examples for standalone applications. No, calculator, calendar, paintbrush, edit plus, and so on and so on and so on. Right, sir? How many applications are standalone applications in outside? Only 5% of the applications. But what is its dependency level? 1000% is a dependency level. It is dependent programming language for what? At least some idea. Selenium testing, Salesforce, Adobe, Android, SAP, and so on and so on and so on. So altogether, what I'm telling there, 99% of the software technologies and tools are dependent on Java either directly or indirectly. Got it? All of you are getting clarity? Can I move forward? Can I go for the next part here now? All right, sir. Then what is that next one now? Tell me. Come on, what is that next one now? Tell me. J2EE or what next one? Java EE. Everybody understand it clearly. J2EE or what next one here? Java EE. Right, sir. Now, first of all, abbreviation here we have to understand. J2SE abbreviation we understood. Similarly, what is this? J2EE or Java EE. Observe carefully. Java 2 Enterprise Edition. Java 2 Enterprise Edition. Guys, all of you are getting clarity what I am discussing actually. I have taken the subject like what there full stack Java. In full stack Java, Java part I have taken. Inside the Java part, how many parts of Java is available? That part I am telling there. After that, we are going to elaborate what is core Java, how the topics are available inside the core Java. Then we will start the content clearly. This is also a subject. Directly I am starting our Java parts now. There is a clear-cut process what I am taking now. Right, sir. Now let's move to the point here. Abbreviation is okay, fine. After this abbreviation, J2EE or Java EE, Java 2 Enterprise Edition, what this J2EE will provide for us? J2SE will provide fundamentals of the Java. Similarly, what J2EE will provide for us now? All right, sir. Now J2EE will provide server-side programming. Tell me guys, J2EE will provide what side programming there? Server side programming. Client server architecture we understood there. Now it is what there? Server side programming. Means that this programming is totally on the base of client server architecture or not? Understand my point here? Now the point here I'm telling to you, by using this server side programming, what type of applications here we are going to prepare now? By using J2SE, we are able to prepare standalone applications that we understood. Similarly, by using the server-side programming, by using J2EE, what type of applications here we are able to prepare now? By using J2EE, we are able to prepare distributed applications. Come on guys, what type of applications here we are able to prepare now? Distributed applications. The distributed applications are also be called as what there? Enterprise applications. Distributed applications are what there? Enterprise application. Okay, by using J2SE, we are able to prepare standalone applications. By using J2EE, we are able to prepare what there? Distributed applications or enterprise application. Then immediately I am getting a question. What is distributed application? And what's the meaning of an enterprise application? That we want to know clearly. Tell me first of all, once again, what is standalone application? If we design and execute any application without using client server architecture, without distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called what? Standalone application. The definition is very clear. Now the same definition here I'm telling to you, but for what there? For the distributed applications or enterprise application, but understand it clearly. If you design and execute any application on the basis of client server architecture, by using client server architecture and by distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called a distributed application. That application is called as what there? A distributed application or an enterprise application. Observe carefully. Quite opposite of the standalone application. Right, sir? Come again. What's the definition here I've given there? If we design and execute any application on the basis of the client server architecture and by distributing application logic over the multiple machines, then that application is called a distributed application or an enterprise application. Right, sir. It's okay, fine. Diagrammatic representation here I'm telling to you. Now try to understand it clearly. Previously I shown the diagram here. This is what the standalone application here we understood. Now I'm going to provide distributed application. This is one computer. All of you understand it clearly. And this is another computer. Overall, two computers here we have taken. Right, sir. This is one computer and this is like what there another computer. Overall, here we have taken two computers. Now understand this clearly. Inside these two computers now, here we are going to have some network. In the middle here we are able to have like what there some network. Understand this network clearly. Right, sir. Here we are able to have what there some network is existed here. Now try to understand it now. Right, sir. Now just simple diagram here I'm telling you some network here that we can understand it now, or else maybe not required here. Just I'm telling you some protocol in the sense like what there some network it is existed clearly. Like this, understand the point clearly. This is like what the network. Fine. Now here what I'm telling there, I want to say the first one is what their client mission, the client computer, client mission, and the second one is what their server mission, server computer, both are same, server mission. Okay, at a client computer we are going to prepare a program. This is a client side program. Client side program. At server mission we are going to prepare another program, that is what their server side program. At server mission we are preparing a program, that is what their server side program. Everybody understand it clearly. So now I want to say this is like what their client app, client app. At the same time other side is what their server app. Now tell me, all of you now tell me, my application logic is distributed over client mission and server mission. Am I right or not? My application logic is provided over client mission and server mission. I prepared this total application on the basis of client server architecture or not? Right, sir. When we execute this program, then what happened there? When we execute this program, first request will come from client mission to the server mission. First request will come to like what there client mission to the server mission. This is request. Because of this client mission, already this program is in execution here. When we execute this program, request will come to the server side program. By the execution of the server side program, automatically some response will be given back to the respective client. Now that response will be displayed to the user. Client will submit request to the server. Server side program will be executed. Server side program will submit that response to like what there to the respective client. This is exactly the structure, high level structure here I'm telling there. This application is called as what there a distributed application or an enterprise application. Right, sir. Now for example, this is a diagram here I'm going to provide there as part of the document. Now try to understand it clearly. Right, sir. It's okay. These two things here I provided. Okay, fine. What is distributed application here we understood. Now tell me some examples for distributed applications. No, and before that I'm telling to you how many applications are distributed applications or enterprise applications. Or first tell me how many applications are standalone applications. No, exactly 5% of the applications are what they're standalone applications. Now the point is what they 95% of the applications are distributed applications. 95% of the applications are what they're distributed applications. Tell me some examples for these distributed applications. Right, sir. Now I'll give some listener to try to understand it all of all banking applications. All banking applications. Say for example, ICICI Bank is available. I have some account in ICICI Bank now. I want to transfer some funds from my account to some other friend. My friend account is available maybe in the ICICI or maybe in what there some other bank. That doesn't matter. But I want to transfer some amount of money. So what I have to do, I have to open my system. Then I have to open ICICIbank.com website. I have to open where internet banking option is available. I have to select it. Where username and password I have to enter. After that, where we are able to get the home page of the internet banking. Their fund transfer option is available. I'll select it. then immediately we are going to get a form. In that form, what we are going to provide there, my target other friend account details I have to provide, and my details also I have to provide. Then when I click on fund transfer funds now, I'm able to get some OTP there. Whenever I'm getting OTP, if I enter that OTP there, automatically funds are going to be transferred. Say my laptop is a client machine. ICICI bank application is at server. I'm sending request to the ICICI application. ICICI application is sending some response to me. Again, I'm sending request to the ICICI application. Again, ICICI application is sending some response to me. This is all together client server architecture or not? This totally on the base of client server architecture or not? So that's why all banking applications are what their client server applications. All banking applications are what their client server applications, enterprise applications. Next one is all social network applications are enterprise applications. Social media applications or social network applications. You can take Gmail, maybe you can take Facebook, maybe you may take like what that YouTube, maybe everything is a server side application only. All social network applications are what there, that the client server applications are enterprise applications. All e-commerce applications, all e-commerce applications are what there, enterprise applications only. What are these e-commerce applications? No, flipkart.com available or not? Flipkart.com, Amazon.com. Understand my point here? No, like so many things are available. Zepto or maybe different things. No, all these are like what their e-commerce applications. All these e-commerce applications are what there, like definitely they are like what their enterprise applications. Not only that, all food delivery applications. Food delivery application. Tell me some examples for it. No, I think Swiggy or Zomato or maybe some Uber Eats, like different applications are available. All these are like what they're like client server applications only. Every application is going in at server side only. Answer my point clearly. No, not only that, all healthcare applications, all healthcare applications are like what they're then enterprise applications only. All insurance applications are like what they are healthcare. That means enterprise applications only, and so on and so on and so on. So many examples are available. That means almost all what I'm telling there. Take any domain, take any platform where enterprise application is going to be happen. Now I'm using webinar software for the sake of online classes. Now this also like what their server side program only. This also like on the base of like what their server side programming only. Yes, sir. All of you get my point or not? So this is clearly the awareness of what there J2EE. But the point is what? If you want to learn J2EE, if you want to learn J2EE, you must have knowledge on J2SE. Without having knowledge on J2SE, we are unable to understand what there J2EE. Got it? What I'm telling you know? Right, sir. It's okay, fine. Next, another one here. Now tell me, guys, how many parts are available in Java? How many parts are available? 3 parts. What are the 3 parts? No. J2SE. Next one is what there? J2EE. What is the last one? No. J2ME. Right, sir. Now J2ME is the last one. Good. J2ME or Java ME. It's okay, fine. First of all, as it is now, I'm asking there, what is the abbreviation for this first now? Right, sir. Now Java ME or J2ME. What is it now? Java 2 micro edition. Java 2 what there? Micro edition. Okay. J2SE will provide fundamentals of the Java. J2EE will provide server-side programming. Similarly, J2ME will provide micro programming. What type of programming there? Micro programming, chip level programming. Chip level programming is like what there? Micro programming. Okay, fine. Fundamentals of the Java is able to provide standalone applications. Server-side programming is able to provide enterprise applications or distributed applications. Similarly, micro programming is able to provide mobile-based applications. What type of applications there? Mobile-based applications. By using J2ME, we are able to prepare mobile-based applications. Then immediately I'm getting a question. What is this mobile-based application? What your understanding about the mobile-based application? Answer is very clear. All of you observe carefully. If we design and execute any application without using client-server architecture, without using without distributing application logic, then that application is what? Standalone application. If we design and execute any application on the base of client-server architecture, By distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is what? Enterprise application or distributed application. Similarly, observe carefully, if we design and execute any application on the basis of the mobile hardware architecture, mobile hardware is different, our normal hardware is different. On the base of this mobile hardware architecture, if we design and execute any application, then that application is called mobile based application. Mobile based application, that applications are called what? They're mobile based applications. Right, sir. One more point here I'm telling you, this is a conclusion, or try to understand it clearly. Mobile based applications are having very good demand, but J2ME is not having demand. J2ME is not having any demand. Why? Because number of alternatives are available to prepare mobile applications like Android. The moment when Android is coming into the picture, J2ME is totally fall down, totally down, completely down, almost all dead at present. Nobody is thinking about it. Answer my point, Kino. But one more point I'm telling there. Mobile application development, mobile applications are having very good demand. Why? Because what's the point here I'm telling there? Now tell me how many applications are mobile based applications in outside? No. 100% of the applications are 100% of the applications are mobile based applications only. Nowadays in every vertical, in every platform, mobile app support is available. Take anything, mobile application support is available nowadays. It is a flexibility. So nobody will go for every time the system can. If you want to come out from the system, if you want to get the same service, no, mobile applications are available. Say for example, nowadays we are doing some transactions with phone pay or paytm or maybe google pay and this kind of apps. Now what are all these apps? Now mobile apps only. In a mobile phone we are installing the apps. Now they're like what? They're mobile apps. I think we are watching some videos through youtube on your mobile phone. What is that youtube icon there? There's a mobile application there. Facebook we are able to see now that Facebook is what? There mobile application. WhatsApp we are seeing there. What is that? WhatsApp here? No, mobile based application. Without having mobile applications, our life is not going on in outside. We are too much dependent on what? There mobile applications only. We are too much dependent on mobiles only. Means that mobile applications only. So that is the reason why 100% of the applications are what? They mobile based applications only. But J2ME doesn't have any demand in outside. Why? Because due to the number of alternatives. What are the various alternatives there? Android and iPhone. Like so many technologies are available there. Because of these many technologies, no, automatically the J2ME demand is totally fall down. At present, nobody is thinking about what? There J2ME. Yes, sir. All of you get my point or not? Right, sir. Now this is somewhat story about like what? There three parts inside the Java: J2SE, J2EE, and J2ME. Nowadays, Java in the sense actually three parts, but user awareness is what? There two parts: J2SE, J2EE. Yes, sir. All of you are getting clarity on these points now? Okay. So okay guys, now the time is almost all 9:53. Then today I want to stop this session here itself, and tomorrow I want to continue. Already I started our technical concepts. Tomorrow I will start directly core Java. Core Java first unit I'm going to start directly. Without fail, try to attend for the class on tomorrow. Okay. And one more small information. I think so. Then last 3 days of time that offer is available there. Today also that offer is extended. They are given information to me. Just you can inquire at our office there if you have any concern about it. Okay. Right. Tomorrow at 8:30 we can come here. At least by 8:40 you should be in the class now. So by 8:40 definitely I'm going to start the class. 1 hour 15 minutes minimum class we have to take. Then 10 to 15 minutes of time is a grace time. Depending on the topic's completion, maybe I may complete the classes maybe a bit earlier or a bit 5 minutes maybe later, whatever it may be. But the point is 1 hour 15 minutes is a must. Okay, but I'll try to take the class 1 hour 20 minutes max. But 10 minutes of time is going to be delayed. Why? Because I'm going to have some other classes before, or maybe after this also I'm going to have some classes. At least for the sake of that, I need to take the class out of 1.5 hour of time. 1 hour 20 minutes I'll try to take the class by now. Okay, right, sir. That's all for today. I'll meet you tomorrow. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Yeah, for course duration. Yeah, thank you guys. Guys, then those who are attending in online, and if you want to talk with the admin people there, already given some numbers with you, and that offer is also be extended here. Then today also it is available. Just directly you can talk with the admin people there. In this number, our admin people are available. Directly you can talk with them, and they will give more clarity on it. Okay, yeah, it's going on, guys. Okay, thank you, guys. Thanks a lot, and I'll meet on tomorrow. Tomorrow definitely. Then I'll talk about directly core Java. Then topics I'm going to discuss with you, and after that we are going to see the content. Okay.